Hi sis! In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact resources that I used to help my kids to read. Do you know that all four of my kids began reading by age 2 using these exact resources? Yes. And today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that I used to help all four of my kids read. And I will demonstrate how I used these resources with my kids. So I encourage you to watch this video to the end. Sis, my name is Chioma and I am a Nigerian-American homeschooling mom of 4, and I've been homeschooling for almost 7 years now. On this channel, we are building confident homeschooling moms who do not rely on their own strength, but trust in the grace of God to raise a godly generation. So I encourage you to join this beautiful homeschooling community by subscribing to this YouTube channel. Have you subscribed yet? Subscribe. Thank you so much. The company that I want to share with you today is called Preschool Prep Company. But before we continue, I want to make it clear that this video is not sponsored, okay? The company is not sponsoring this video. I'm only sharing about them on this channel because their resources have helped my children a lot. And I know that they will also help your kids too. So sis, I found out about Preschool Prep Company back in 2015 through a friend, and that time I only had my first daughter. And when I first found out about them, I asked my sister, my younger sister, to help me purchase the alphabet DVD because I wanted to try it out. And I didn't have the funds to purchase a copy, so my sister was able to support me, God bless her, to help me get the alphabet DVD. And once I got the alphabet DVD, I began to play it for my daughter, who enjoyed watching it. Like, she enjoyed it so much, and soon she began to recognize the alphabet. Let me tell you this, by the time my daughter was 1 year old, she was able to recognize all 26 letters of the alphabet. That's how good those DVDs are. So when I saw how good the alphabet DVD was, I decided to buy the entire DVD pack. So the DVD pack comes like this, and it contains 10 different DVDs, 10 of them. This 10 pack of DVDs contain the alphabet, numbers, shapes, colors, 3 whole sight words DVDs, 3 sight words DVDs with 47 sight words altogether that your kids will learn. Phonics, blends and digraphs. These DVDs are amazing. So back then, DVDs were the main thing, but right now I actually use their online version. So I bought a combination of the online version and the DVD set version, and I have an account with them, so I play their DVDs for my children from their website. Super convenient. And sis, if you want to check them out, if you want to try their materials, they have tons of free videos on their YouTube channel. All you have to do is to look up Preschool Prep Company on YouTube. So here's the exact order I followed when using these materials with my kids. So I log into their website, which is preprep.tv. This is where my online account is. And I scroll down to find the different videos. So first is the letter video. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I usually play this alphabet video for my kids for several months until they begin to recognize the letters. I also combine this video with the number video. And this is what the number video looks like. Here it is.
3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4.
So my reason for combining, excuse me, my reason for combining the alphabet and the number DVD is so that my kids will learn the alphabet and the numbers together. Once they've learned the alphabet and the numbers from 0 to 10, then I begin to introduce shapes to them. And this is what the shape DVD or the shape video looks like. This is a sample.
Rectangle.
And the same time that I'm playing the shape video, I also play the color video for them.
Orange. Orange.
Once they are beginning to become familiar with their colors and their shapes, guess what I do? I move to I move on to play the sight words DVD for them. And for the sight word DVDs, I start with level 1. Okay, so there are 3 levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. And all together, all 3 DVDs together have a total of 47, I believe, 47 sight words that your children will learn by watching these 3 DVDs. That is amazing. So, this is what level 1 looks like.
U. U. U.
And here is a sample of level 2 DVD.
Light.
And the last one, level 3. Here is what level 3 looks like. I believe all 3 of these videos are free on their YouTube channel. You can watch them for free on their YouTube channel. So this is level 3. My kids
Kim.
my kids have fun with these animated characters. They enjoy watching these DVDs. They laugh a whole lot while learning. See, simple, easy way to teach your kids to read. And that's how I use their website to teach my kids alphabet, numbers, shapes and colors, and then sight words. So as my kids watch and learn their sight words, the next thing that I do is to introduce them to the Preschool Prep sight words flashcards to reinforce what they are learning on the screen. These are the flashcards in here. So meet the sight words, and we have here all the sight words taught in the level 1, level 2, and level 3 sight words DVDs. All of them are here. And what I do is I begin to show my kids the flashcards and test whether they can recognize them and say what the words are. So this is the word on this side, and the back side is the animated character. This is the word like, and this is the animated character here. And this is the word and the animated character. And the word all and the animated character here, all. I'm actually going to show you a video of my oldest daughter testing my first son on his sight words to see how many of them he could recognize, and he was able to recognize all of them. Okay, I'm going to show you just a short clip of that.
What is this? But what is this? Yeah.
Good job.
What is this? Hey. What is this? Dad. What is this? Look.
After my kids have learned all the sight words from level 1 all the way to level 3, then I take a step further by taking some of the words from the sight words DVD and I write them on the whiteboard to make short sentences. The goal here is to see whether my kids can recognize those sight words in a handwritten form. So I know they can recognize them on the screen and recognize them on the flashcards, but will they be able to recognize them in a handwritten form? So for example, I can write different words like look at this word, and all those 4 words are from the sight words DVDs. And when I write them on the whiteboard, I will point at each word and have them say the words. Or I can write the words like we like to go up there, and I'll point at each word to see whether they will be able to recognize them in a handwritten form. And guess what? Most of the time they do. Oh my goodness. It was so exciting to watch them recognize my handwriting on the board, on the whiteboard. And that was truly the beginning of their reading journey. How exciting it was to see them read for the first time, right? To read short sentences for the first time and being able to recognize the handwritten form of the sight words. It was just breathtaking, just amazing. So after my kids have learned all the sight words from the 3 different DVDs and they have shown to also recognize them in handwritten form, guess what I do? I also take another step further by introducing them to this. This is the Preschool Prep Company 12 easy reader books, okay? From the Meet the Sight Words Level 2 DVD. I have this from level 2 and from level 3, but I don't have the level 1. Inside this book are 12 easy reader books. These are amazing short story books that are written using the same sight words from the DVDs, okay? And these stories are so much fun. I usually will bring them out and have my child choose which book that she or he would like to read. And let's say they want this one that says my shoes. This is the title, my shoes. We will open it. My shoes, my shoes. And the first sentence here says, here are my new shoes, she said. So my child will be able to know the word here, the word are, the word my, because they are part of the sight words, but they won't be able to know the word new, or the word shoes. But they will be able to recognize she and the word said, because they are part of the sight words, yes. And they will also be able to recognize the words they are, yes, but not the word red. But this is what I actually do. As my kids are learning the sight words, guess what? I also play the phonics DVD for them so that they will learn how to pronounce the different letters, so that when they see words that they do not know, they are able to sound them out. So this Preschool Prep Company is the full package to help your children begin to read at an early age. Friend, this company has helped my kids a lot. All 4 of them. I used this process and all 4 of them started reading by age 2. Once they begin to read all the stories from the level 2 12 reader books, I move on to the level 3 12 easy reader books. These are amazing stories, engaging and fun for kids to read. You can see that these books have gone through a lot because my kids enjoy reading them a lot. The older ones still do read them. So once my kids began to read these 12 easy reader books, they felt so proud to be reading real books. It gave them a boost of confidence, knowing that they can read just like regular adults. I have a short clip of me going over one of the books with my child. What is this?
B.
What is this?
S.
Is?
S.
What is this?
But.
What is this? This is the exact process that I use to help all 4 of my kids to begin reading by age 2, using Preschool Prep Company DVDs, flashcards, and easy reader books. So let me give you a recap. So first you have the alphabet DVD, then the numbers, shape, colors, and then the 3 different level sight words, and the flashcards, and the easy reader books, and also the phonics too. This step-by-step process made learning to read fun and stress-free, and it built my kids' reading confidence early on. Sis, if you find this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe for more homeschool and early learning tips. And I want to encourage you to watch my previous video where I share how to find your state homeschool laws and requirements, and also how to fill out your homeschool letter of intent if you decide to begin to homeschool. And please do not forget to share this video with another mom who would like their children to begin to read at an early age. And remember, we're not just homeschooling, but we are raising warriors for Christ. See you next time. God bless you. Bye.